In this video, I will show you how to save a Pictory AI video. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on Pictory.ai. So what I've done, I've just created a quick video to show you how Pictory works and how it basically saves videos. So what I'm going to do at the top, I'm just going to rename this project first of all. So I'm just going to call this My Project Test. And to actually save this video, it does actually have an autosave feature. So what I mean by this is when you actually make a change to this video. So if I come across this first scene, for example, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a change. So I'm going to get rid of this and put an exclamation mark. You will notice up here that it's going to say in a minute save changes. So if I click off this, and you'll see it saying save and changes, and it says saved up here. By default, it does automatically save your projects. Now, to actually find your saved videos, what you want to do is come back to the Pictory dashboard, so the actual home screen. And if you come up to the top, and what you want to do is click onto My Projects up here. And you can see the one that we've just been working on, which is this one here, My Project Test. So you'll see actually, if I go ahead and open this up, you will see the changes that we've just made. So every time you make a change to a video, whether that's adding a scene or changing the text or simply adding another visual, it's going to automatically save the changes. And then in order to find your videos, come up to My Projects at the top, give that a click, and you'll see all your currently saved videos. So that's how to go ahead and save a Pictory AI video. I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.